everyone, welcome to Craft Recipes. Today we are going to make cherry blossom using the crepe paper. To make cherry blossom flowers, you can take either peach color paper or baby pink color paper. Now mark them 2-inch square and cut them out. Similarly, cut the white paper also of 2-inch square. Now take your sheet and fold it into the triangle and cut them as directed. Now I have taken this branch from my garden. I am going to paste all the flowers which we have made using the glue gun. Few bunch of branches, you get this beautiful cherry blossom bunch. So beautiful to decorate your vase. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe Craft Recipes. Don't forget to let your comments in the comment section. Thank you everyone.